Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Telegram message not sending problem. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, update your Telegram. For that, you need to open your Google Play Store. Then search here Telegram. After updated Telegram, go back, open your settings, go to the apps, search your Telegram, press on force stop, open permission. You should enable all permission. Then go back, press on storage, press on clear cache, then go back. After doing this, check your problem solved or not. Still your problem not solved, open your Telegram, go to the settings. Here little bit scroll down, select here ask a question. Then select here I want to report a problem. Then type here what's your problem. After sending message, wait for feedback. That's it guys. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.